In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a captions file for YouTube videos, how to upload it to your YouTube video, and I will show some of the accessibility features for users. The first thing we need to do is go to our video on YouTube. So here I have a video on YouTube. I will click it. Okay, there we are. And as you see, there are no subtitles. We are next going to need to create a text file. All captions files are text files. We have two ways to do that. We can use a regular text editor like Notepad that comes with every copy of Windows, or we can use special software such as Subtitle Workshop. First, we'll use Notepad. So here is Notepad. There we go, Notepad. We create a line for each line that we're captioning. We create a captions line, and we number them. So the first one is going to be numbered 1. The second one is going to be numbered 2. We need for each one of these a start time and an end time. Well, everything starts at 0 here. We do this by saying 0 hours, colon, 0 minutes, colon, 0 seconds, comma, 0 microseconds. We then make a couple symbols here which mean go to. And now we're going to need the end time, and we are going to need to know exactly what is said in this particular line that we are going to caption. So let's go back to our video. Let us turn it on and capture a line. All right. Let us look at how long this took to take. It took 3 seconds. So I know down here that my end time is going to be 3 seconds. And what I heard was, hello, Michael and Nick. Michael and Rick. Okay. Now for the second line, let's go back to our video. All right. We captured another line. It went to 5 seconds. So, what is our start time? Well, we know that our end time up here was 3 seconds. So our start time down here is going to be 3 seconds. And it went to 5 seconds. All right. That is all there is. Oh, we captured the line. This is Nick in San Francisco. So that's all there is to it. We go through the video, we go line by line, and we put for each line the line number, the start and end time, and the line that we've captured. And when we're done, we save it. We save it. We save it as a text file. These are all text files. So we make sure here that we're in text format, and we give it a name. In this case, we'll call it caption dot. I could put txt, but I usually put srt, which means subripped text, because subrip is the format that it likes. It doesn't matter as long as it's a text file. And we save it. Alright, we now have a small caption file. The other way to do this is to use software called Subtitle Workshop. Here's a copy of Subtitle Workshop. Up here is an area where we're going to watch our movie. Down here we're going to enter our subtitles, and this here is going to keep a track of all our subtitles for us. The way we do this is we go to the top where it says movie. We capture our movie, which is on our hard disk. We don't have to upload this to YouTube in order to watch it. And the movie, hello Michael and Rick, and the movie appears here. Now I don't know how clearly you can see that, but this is the center of the movie right here. We are going to need to enter subtitles, so we go up to Edit, and we say, well, first let's start a file, New subtitle. And here we see the subtitle has appeared. Notice it has a number, subtitle 1, a start time, and an end time. And this will be where the text is. Now we enter the text down here. Hello, Michael and Rick. And we can listen to it here.
Hello, Michael and Rick. This is Nick in San Francisco reporting back.
Now we notice that that subtitle went by very, very quickly. What we need to do is go down here, increase the duration. Give it, say, 3.5 seconds. And then we will replay it again.
Hello, Michael and Rick. This is Nick in
Now I spelled Rick's name Risk, so I'll change it to Rick.
San Francisco reporting back to you on the... Hello, Michael and Rick. This is...
And that's there we have it. We just go through the video again like the other method, and when we're done, we save it. So we're up here on Save. We save it. Now it gives us lots of formats, and these are for the various media players, etc. The format we want for YouTube is called subrip, and here it is right here, subrip. So I double click it, and you'll notice down here it ends in SRT. I'll give it a name, say Captions to SRT, and save it. And that's how you create a captions file in Subtitle Workshop. Now, when you have finished going through the whole video, you end up with a full captions file like this. And as you can see, you've got line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, going through the whole video. Now that we have it and it's done and saved, we upload it. And the way we do that is we go back to YouTube. And you'll notice to the right of the video there's a link called Captions and Subtitles. We click on that, and here's our movie. We go up to this area, we click Browse. We find our file. This is the full file here, the completed file. We open it, and you'll notice that it's now here. We need to select the language down here, so we pick English, and we click Upload. And it processes up here, and it's already done. And as you can see, there are now subtitles appearing in the movie. Let us go back to the main page and click this up on its own. And here you see. Now I'm going to show you the usability features now. Let me turn these back on. Your keypad, your numeric keypad, has a plus and a minus sign keys for that, and they will increase the font or decrease the font by hitting them. As you see, I can bring it up 3, or I can go back down to 0, and even go back down further to very, very small. What I've discovered with this also is that if it doesn't work at first, try the Shift key. Try Shift minus and Shift plus, and that'll sometimes toggle it on. Another feature of this is keep your eye up here. I'm going to hit the B key for B for background. Now you see that? It shows that the text has no background to it. It's just going to be, there's going to be letters over the background. If I click B again, now you see up here there appears to be a background. And I could toggle from unbackgrounded text to backgrounded text. And as you see here, there is a sort of black background. I'll turn off and on and off a couple times so that you can sort of see. It's a little subtle, but it's possible to see it. So that is how you create caption files and upload them, and increase and decrease the font size, as well as show a background. One more thing, it is good to put a transcript over here in the description box that actually has each line of text that is spoken. Don't have to worry about start times and end times, etc., but each line and what is spoken. And that concludes our lesson for today. Thank you.